Ever wanted to create that dizzy, drunk, or ghost-like vision effect? This effect is surprisingly easy to create inside Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. I already imported my footage onto the timeline. First, find the exact frame where you want the ghost effect to begin, and then locate where you want it to end. Once you've got those points, simply cut the clip using Ctrl or Command K. Now hold Alt or Option, then drag the trimmed clip up to duplicate it. I'll create 2 duplicates, so in total we have 3 versions of the same clip stacked on top of each other. These duplicated clips will act as our ghost clones. For the middle clip, I'll reduce the opacity to 75%. And for the top clip, I'll set it to 50%. So far nothing special, but watch this. Move forward by 7 frames and shift the middle clip to that position, then do the exact same thing with the top clip, giving it the same 7-frame offset. Instantly, you can see the ghosting effect starting to appear. However, you'll notice a small glitch where the effect began. To smooth that out, simply select the clips and press Ctrl or Command+D to add a cross-dissolve transition. And just like that, you've got a ghost effect. But wait, what if you want a faster method with fewer steps? Let me show you my shortcut version. Again, find the starting and ending frames where you want the effect to happen and trim the clip. Now duplicate that trimmed section just once. Right-click the duplicated clip and choose Speed Duration. I'm setting speed to 97%, but feel free to experiment depending on how intense you want the effect to look. Next, add a cross-dissolve transition, and don't forget to lower the opacity. I'll set mine to 50%. This creates a much more subtle ghost effect. But if you're after something more dramatic and disorienting, simply reduce the speed even further. And that's it. 2 simple ways to create the dizzy drunk, aka ghost effect, entirely inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Try both methods and see which one works best for your project. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.